in the other rhyme when you try to play me.
Hip hop Subway Series. 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 Hip hop Subway Series.
Yes, I can deliver an essay or a lecture. I can give a half a sec for no half stepping included. Y'all asses got booted, then he got booted through over the side of the ship that I kept the yacht down at the dock. Cause I'm just that hot.
Hey yo, let me sign on.
That's how to keep it flowing. Breeze ever flowing to keep the cycle throwing. My 2 cents, 2 pennies, 2 quarters. I remember we used to do slaughter on the trains like this from December to December. One of the few here old enough to remember. The cycle on the train used to happen on the regular. We used to spit it out live like it was editors built inside of our brains and pitching out movies. Breeze ever flowing. The train tries to move me, but it won't. Most my turf and I'm riding on this shit like silver surfing. With the fantastic four, with the fantastic fours, all the beats that come out raw from all of your jaws that are probably gonna be sore at the end of this year underground tour.
Yo, we just keeping it raw like that single that Busta Rhymes dropped on the floor. But you know we ain't gon' hear to that. And I'm like a kitty cat. When I get on this type, I'm stealthy like hearing that. Yeah, I know y'all really loving this style. I had to let go. Let's hope I don't fall right down. But I'ma get back up like my name was Donnie McClurkin. Oh yes, you hear that Beatboxer's here.
What's my style? 155th, how I ride. It's J to the O. I'm back on the block. That's where the days go down. That's how the world's finest. Smoke that good green. That's where you can find us. Yes, when you hear this, you must be whining us. I can go act rapper straight in his highness. Don't call me nothing but anything less than that kid, Mr. Your Highness.
I'm a hip-hop addict, and that's no question. Fuck rehab, ain't no half or 12 stepping. Anyway, when we step into sex, breeze overflowing, y'all days moving a lesson. Yeah, that's what we come through. I'm like a reverend. They stupid water aliens and messing with the picture checking. Yeah, well I play cats like Tekken. Well, Bob, I don't even know the math, brethren.
I'm still in the field. I'm still keeping it real.
Complexity, and this is true. A reality. What I've seen, what I've been through, is how many times have I gone through with my best friend in time. She was a woman that we used to roll every time, all over the place. We used to roll tight. We used to chill in each other's face. She was a lesbian and I was straight. It was cool. We would go all the mad days, be cruising on the streets. She used to tell me all the things about what we used to do would make her feel happy, just to be part of the crew of time and space. How we used to move into another place with other people and movement. She taught me about what it was, what it is to be another person who's in love with the same sexuality. See? She said that this was her, and I did not want to, and that I did not need to let her know that I would be with her in that kind of way that she didn't want me to be. So we became friends to this very day.
I'm known to get sick, and you know I got a rapid Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, so I hit you with a sight like Raphael was my hurdle.
Teenage Ninja Turtle, I'll be Master Shredder with the blaze. Breeze ever flowing, I've been rapper ever since 6th grade. Back in elementary, then on to the high school. I used to get high, used to think it was cool. As a matter of fact, when I think way back, I got high the first time on these very same tracks. I wrote back on the A and everything was yellow. I laid back on the seat like, yo, I'm feeling mellow.
He's feeling mellow, you know me, I'm breezy yellow. That's the flow that I be going, cause I'm rapping right here, psychosis. And my man dialect, the breeze ever flowing, we got it on that, on set, maybe like a Lego. I can build blocks, maybe you know how we do it. When we flowing, everybody, they be knowing, trying to do it. Yes, I'm golden, like that movie.
Yes, so blessed, how we blessed. You like Legos, I'm connected. Oh, dude, if you clip it, then I'm Mama dude. Anyway, I'm supposed you. Come on with my partner too. You be Shredder, you got Diplo, I be like Usagi, yo Jimbo. And anyway,
if you clip it too, I'll be a force on course, it's like Curious George. Alright, yo, I'll be like Corduroy in the Llama L's, but I'll be up here cause I'm rapping like no one else.
And I make myself blind like Mr. Magoo, and I hear mad beat like Horton, here's a who, or the Cat in the Hat when we come through with raps and chase them out the house. I'm Mighty Mouse.
Yeah.